This is my inbox right now. Hundreds of unread emails. My LinkedIn hasn't been touched in weeks. Notion, a graveyard of half-finished ideas. I know what needs to happen. I need to hire people. Email manager, social media person, lead gen specialist, SEO writer, receptionist. But here's the math. That's $60,000 a year minimum. Probably closer to 100 grand when you factor in taxes, software, and training. So I tried something different. I hired 6 employees. Total cost $24 a month. No salaries, no burnout, no Slack messages at midnight. I'm already in, and this might be the most aggressive business move I've made all year. Let me show you what happened. I found a platform called Marblism. Instead of one generic AI that tries to do everything, you get a full team of 6 AI employees aimed at the stuff that usually eats your week. Inbox, social media, lead gen, blog content, phone calls, contracts. You don't sit there prompting them all day. You don't re-explain who you are every single time. During setup, you give the system your business wants, what you sell, who you work with, your pricing, your tone, and from that point on, they behave like real team members. They work in the background, they surface things that need your input, and they tap you only when there is a decision to make. For me, this wasn't just a fun experiment. I was paying around $15,000 a month across agencies and freelancers to keep the machine running. With this setup, I cut that to $24 a month and kept the output going. If you are a solo founder or just tired of being the entire ops department for your own business, the promise here is simple. Less time buried in busy work, more time in the stuff that actually moves the needle. Let me show you how it works in practice. When you log into Marblism, this is what you see. 6 employees, 6 lanes. Each one has a profile, a specialty, and a tagline that tells you exactly what they do. This isn't some vague AI assistant that tries to do everything poorly. These are specialists. Eva manages email, calendar, and meeting notes. Sonny runs social media campaigns across every platform. Stan handles lead generation and cold outreach. Penny writes SEO optimized blog posts. Rachel answers phone calls and books appointments. Linda simplifies contracts and answers legal questions. The interface is dead simple. It looks like WhatsApp. You type to them like you text a coworker. No complex prompt engineering. You give them a task, they handle it, you review the work, approve it, and move on. Now let's see what each one actually does when you put them to work. Eva's job is to manage the chaos in my inbox and calendar so I don't have to live in Gmail. When you first connect her, she syncs with your email and calendar, Google, Outlook, whatever you use. You give her access once and she starts triaging immediately. Here's what she did in the first few days. Filtered out hundreds of junk emails, drafted dozens of responses, and flagged the important ones. I didn't ask her to do any of this, she just knew. Because I told her once during setup what my business does, who my clients are, and what tone I use. She learned the rest by watching how I respond to emails. Let me show you a real example. I'm opening my Gmail right now. This email came in from a potential client asking about pricing and availability. Eva drafted a reply that was professional in my voice. I edited one word and hit send. That's 2 minutes of work instead of 20. She also takes meeting notes. If you're on Zoom or Google Meet, Eva listens and summarizes key points, action items, and follow-ups. One more thing, you can train her with custom commands. I set up rules like notifying me immediately for government emails, reminding me to follow up after 3 days of silence, flagging urgent client requests. She tracks all of this automatically. Result? My inbox hits 0 regularly now. Eva saves me about 2 hours a day. If I hired a virtual assistant to do this, I'd be paying $2,000 a month minimum. Eva costs a fraction of that as part of the Marblism package. Sonny's entire job is to make sure my social media doesn't look like I disappeared years ago. He posts on Instagram, LinkedIn, X, and more. If I let him go fully autonomous, but even when he's not posting automatically, he still sends me fresh content ideas every single morning. Here's what that looks like inside Marblism. I open Sonny's chat window, and he's already prepared platform-specific ideas. LinkedIn gets professional AI and productivity angles, Instagram gets visual carousel concepts, and X gets thread-style posts with hooks. Each idea comes with draft copy, suggested timing, and formatting optimized for that platform. None of this is generic. It's all based on what I've been working on recently, what's trending in my spec base and what content my audience tends to respond to. Inside Marblism, I review everything in one place. Usually I tweak a word or two, hit approve, and Sonny handles the scheduling across every platform automatically. He doesn't pull analytics directly from Instagram or LinkedIn, so I check performance manually. But the workflow inside Marblism is where everything gets created, refined, and scheduled. Stan is the one I was most skeptical about. Lead gen is hard. It's not just finding emails, it's finding the right people, writing outreach that doesn't sound like spam, and following up without being annoying. If Stan could actually do this well, he'd replace an entire agency. So here's what I tested. I told Stan my ideal client profile. Small business owners in the US, 10 to 50 employees interested in AI automation or no-code tools. Stan has access to a database of thousands of leads. That's not a typo. He filters by industry, company size, location, job title, whatever you need. Within minutes, he pulled a list of qualified leads that matched my criteria. Then he wrote the outreach sequence, not one email, a full sequence with automatic follow-ups if someone doesn't reply. Now here's the moment of truth. I'm gonna check Stan's dashboard right now to see if we got any replies. I haven't looked at this since yesterday. Okay, we have multiple positive replies from prospects interested in scheduling calls, asking for pricing details, and requesting more information about specific services. That's several warm leads in just a few days with zero manual work from me. Stan also notifies me in real time when someone replies positively. Yesterday, I was recording a different video and got a ping from Stan about a positive reply. I opened it, and the person had already expressed interest in a demo call. I just had to send a calendar link. If I hired a lead gen agency to do this, I'd be paying $5,000 a month minimum, and I'd still be stuck reviewing their work. Stan does it for less than $5 a month as part of the package, and his emails actually sound human. Penny's job is to make my website rank higher on Google so I get more organic traffic and leads. She does SEO audits, keyword research, and writes blog posts that are optimized for search engines and actual humans. Here's what I tested. I told Penny the random website URL and asked her to run a full SEO audit. Within minutes, she gave me a report covering pages with slow load times, missing meta descriptions, broken internal links, keyword gaps. She didn't just point out problems, she told exactly how to fix them and prioritize them by impact. Then I asked her to find the best keywords for my business. She pulled a list of high-value keywords with search volume, competition level, and ranking difficulty. Terms my audience is actually searching for related to AI automation, no-code tools, and business efficiency. Next, I asked Penny to write a blog post targeting one of those keywords. She wrote a comprehensive article that's well-structured, naturally optimized, and doesn't read like it was written by a robot. She included headers, bullet points, internal links to other pages on my site, and a clear call to action at the end. But here's the best part. Penny can publish directly to your website. If you're on WordPress, Wix, Webflow, or Shopify, she integrates and pushes content live. I don't have to copy-paste into a CMS or format anything. She handles it. Pro tip, give Penny examples of content you like, show her blog posts from competitors or industry leaders that match the style and depth you want. She'll use that as a reference and adapt to your brand voice. Rachel is my AI phone receptionist. She answers calls, books appointments, and handles basic customer questions, all using the information I gave her during setup. She knows my services, pricing, business hours, and FAQs, and she uses that to sound natural and helpful on every call. When someone dials my business number, Rachel picks up immediately. Let me show you a real example. Here's the transcript from a call Rachel handled recently. The caller asked what my service includes and how much it costs. Rachel explained the options clearly, answered a few follow-up questions, and then offered to schedule a consultation. The caller agreed and Rachel booked it automatically. No awkward pauses, no robotic voice, no press 1 for this, press 2 for that. Just a smooth, normal conversation, and I didn't have to pick up the phone. After the call ended, Rachel generated a summary for me with all the key details: who called, what they needed, and what she scheduled. I didn't touch any of this. She handled the entire interaction from start to finish. And here's why this matters. She's not a phone tree. She understands context. If a caller is confused, she clarifies. If the question is too complex, she transfers it to me. And if it's a simple inquiry, she resolves it on the spot. For a solo founder, this is huge. I'm not missing calls anymore. I'm not spending hours answering repetitive questions, and I'm not paying thousands a month for a human receptionist. Rachel does all of it as part of the Marblism subscription. Linda is your AI legal assistant. She doesn't replace a lawyer, but she handles the grunt work, simplifying contracts, drafting basic agreements, and answering common legal questions. Here's what I tested. I uploaded a vendor contract I received, multiple pages of dense legal language. I asked Linda to summarize the key terms I need to know. She came back in under a minute with a breakdown covering payment terms, termination clauses, liability limits, and renewal conditions. She highlighted several areas I should negotiate, including auto renewal without notice, broad indemnification language, and unclear IP ownership. That would have taken me an hour to parse myself, or hundreds of dollars if I sent it to a lawyer for review. Then I asked Linda to draft a simple non-disclosure agreement for a new contractor. She generated a clean, professional NDA in under 2 minutes. It included all the standard clauses. I reviewed it, made one small edit, and sent it to the contractor. Linda also answers legal questions in plain English. I asked her about the difference between independent contractors and employees for tax purposes. She explained it clearly, cited relevant IRS guidelines, and suggested I consult a CPA for my specific situation. That's exactly the kind of answer I needed. Informative, but not overstepping. Linda works behind the scenes and only pings you when something needs your attention. If she spots a red flag in a contract, she'll flag it. She's not trying to be your lawyer. She's your legal assistant who saves you time and money on routine tasks. Let me give you the numbers. Hundreds of hours saved. That's not an estimate. That's tracked time I would have spent on emails, social media, lead gen, SEO, calls, and contract review. Dozens of new leads generated by Stan, several of which turned into paying clients. My inbox hits zero almost daily. I've published multiple SEO optimized blog posts, and they are already driving organic traffic. I haven't missed a single phone call. Total cost, $24 a month. I cut that to $24 and got good results. The AI employees don't sleep, they don't take vacations, they don't forget tasks or miss deadlines. They just work. But here's the important part. I don't think this replaces humans. If you need creative strategy, nuanced decision-making, sales calls, or deep client work, you still want real people in the loop. What Marblism is great at is everything around that. The repetitive operational stuff that has to get done, but doesn't really need your full brain every time. Marblism doesn't magically build your business for you, but as a set of AI employees sitting next to you, handling the boring, necessary work so you can actually focus on the important stuff, that's where it becomes a game changer. You can start with 1 or 2 employees if you're not ready to go all in. Most people start with Eva for email or Sonny for social media, see the results, and then activate the rest. There's a free trial available so you can test the system before you commit. If it saves you even a couple hours a week, it's already worth way more than the cost. So just try it, see if it works for you, and I'll see you in the next one.